Mzansi fashion scenes, but today is going to be Mzansi gossip scenes. The issue of Tyler and the Breakfast Club. So, the issue started when Tyler wasn't able to answer the question of her race on the Breakfast Club, but she was able to answer it in a Vogue interview. And in the Vogue interview, she specified that she does understand that being called a colored in America, it can be offensive, but in South Africa, there is a race called colored. So she does identify as colored in South Africa and she does identify as black in America, of which it's cool, simple, understandable, but the Americans don't want to get it. You know why? Because they feel like Tyler is arrogant, they feel like Tyler is cocky, and her confidence actually rubs them the wrong way, and the fact that after the whole saga, Tyler went to her, I don't know, was it Twitter or Instagram, and she updated her bio to Aputi African, of which that is what they were calling her. Like they feel like Tyler is arrogant and she didn't show sincerity, she didn't um crawl down and say, what, I apologize if I offended you and all of that. But when it comes to Tiwa Savage, was she wrong for apologizing? I feel like that apology was to diffuse the situation and just to make it um not the center of her interview, because at the first place, why are they asking her about Tyler? She's not South African, she's from Nigeria. Like, why are they asking her about Tyler? And in her interview, the Breakfast Club can be messy. And I feel like that was the best that she could do at that situation, because she did mention in the beginning that, you know what, I understand both sides. And at that time, you know, she was not supposed to do what she did and all of that. But I feel like that apology wasn't to say that Tyler is wrong. It was just to diffuse the situation, because at the end of the day, it's not even her battle. It's not her battle, and there is nothing negative that she said that could hurt Tyler, or for the conversation not to be in Tyler's side. I am sorry, but when I look at it, when I listen, I do understand her, because the Breakfast Club can be messy and they can spin the narrative on you so negatively that it impacts your image, it impacts your social standing. So that was the best that she could do at that point. And I feel for her that now they are dragging her for something that has nothing to do with her. She did explain that, you know what, I get both sides and she's young. Let's forgive her. Let's stop bringing up this issue, you know. But, Charlemagne the God, that guy is, he's messy, 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 messy. He is messy. And the fact that Tyler didn't answer that question on that show and they didn't get her the way they thought they're gonna get her, that makes him angry. I can assure you that. He was looking for a messy moment. He didn't get it from Tyler. So he thought that he would get it from Tiwa Savage, and he got what he wanted, because Tiwa is now being direct. He's being direct, and a lot of people are angry, but I feel like the anger is misdirected. We should be angry at the Americans, because they're trying to invalidate us. They're trying to invalidate the colored culture in South Africa. So tell me how you feel about this, and I'll chit chat with you later. Bye.